Thank you for the opportunity to talk with y'all today. We'd like to tell you just a little bit about our project where we take advantage of some features in CesiumJS and Cesium Ion to provide some special benefits for our customer. Next, please. So we're currently supporting NCEI, National Centers of Environmental Information. They are a division of NOAA. And NOAA, as you probably know, is involved in a lot of scientific pursuits. They're very involved in collection of weather data, climate, and oceans. NCEI is the division of NOAA specifically responsible for collecting this data, archiving it, and most importantly, providing it to disseminate to user communities in the country and around the globe. So they're having an issue, however. In the last few years, there has been a large proliferation of data. One of the primary causes of that is data collections through something called uncrewed systems. So uncrewed systems, they're essentially drones. So, however, they can be surface drones on water or under the surface and collect data just constantly. And there's a whole lot of activity down the Gulf Coast region where we are, and this data is growing exponentially. And so the problem is that NCEI's current archiving systems just really can't keep up. And so what NCEI is doing about this is trying to leverage new technologies, and specifically they want cloud-based technologies to try and address this, and that's what our project involves. We're currently building something called the Data Assembly Hub with Cesium to help address this. I know it seems kind of strange to have a geospatial visualization application as the centerpiece of a management information system, but that's what we have. And here to tell you more about that is the front-end developer, Jenny Brown.
Okay, so the goal of Data Assembly Hub is to provide researchers and scientists the ability to search, view, and access their data, which is stored across all different servers and cloud-based. It's an Angular-based web application, and we take advantage of CesiumJS. Some examples are we take advantage of Cesium's animation, and we also use Cesium Ion's World Bathymetry, as well as we take advantage of converting our data into some imagery files. So this is providing us a way to display data that users can decide if it is meaningful to them. So an example is we have ship track data. Typically they're CSV files that we are converting into KML files, and then from there we're able to load them into the Cesium viewer, and then the users can use the timeline below to animate this. And so we have some examples of some ship track data that we have available. We also display bathymetry files. Typically, we have data that are geotiff files. So in our backend, we convert them to imagery tiles. Typically, we deal with multiple files, so we're converting them in parallel. And on the screen there, you'll see an example of multiple bathymetry geotiff files that we converted and displayed on the Cesium viewer. And so essentially, to sum it up, CesiumJS and Cesium Ion has been really awesome for our project and has helped us assist and provide NOAA the opportunity to display and also search for their data on the map. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.